How to know other viewers on Facebook story. Hey everybody, welcome back to next video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can know our viewers on Facebook story. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin. The thing you need to do for that is just open up your Facebook account. After that, log in into your account and head over to your profile. And here you just need to tap on the settings icon. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the stories section. Just tap on it. And here you can choose your audience in the story. So you can customize it accordingly. You can see this your audience section. So you may just keep it public or friends accept this, and custom. So I'm gonna select custom here and select these two friends and tap on done. So after that, what happens is when I post a story, I will know that two people have been looking up to my story. So in order to look up to their profile, I just need to tap on their profile when they see my story, and I should be able to just look on their profile. Otherwise, if you have chosen public and some unknown viewer have viewed your story, you may just click on their profile and you should be able to know who has viewed your story very easily. So just follow those steps and you should be able to know who viewed your Facebook story. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.